Inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, deep forward fold, chin to chest. Breathe in, long spine. Exhale to step or hop back to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Bend the elbows, press back into downward facing dog. Nice. Let's breathe in and lift our right leg up nice and high. Then shift forward into plank, bring your knee to your right elbow. Inhale, leg up high. Exhale, right elbow. Adding on now, lift the leg high. Maybe you can bend the elbows for a little push-up as you come forward. Just try another one like that. Little push-up and forward. Good. Come on forward, knee to elbow and hold. Elbows are straight. Hips are square, and we're squeezing the right knee in as close to the right elbow as we can get it. Breathe in, lift the right leg up high, and exhale to step the right foot up between the hands. Roll up into a lunge, cactusing our arms out nice and wide. Then turn to face the right side of our mat, open the arms wide, then turn to the front in your lunge. Keep alternating. Lunge, then sumo or goddess squat, wide. Inhaling lunge, exhale, arms extend, squat. We're bending the arms, then straightening, pushing through the palms of the hands. Keep going with that. Inhale, bend, exhale, press. Total of 10. Inhaling, exhale, press. Got it. Nice job. Good. Wonderful. Turn to the front now. Bring your elbows in tight. Push off the left leg and hinge forward. Now you're going to keep the left knee bent at 90 degrees. Drive the heels straight up behind you and straighten your elbows. As you straighten the elbows, you press the heel up. So we're squeezing triceps and glute, then releasing. Maybe the elbows are even up higher than our spine. We got a total of 10 of these as well. Keep working the hips to square and focus on the backs of the arms. And again, that left glute, really pressing back and squeezing, focusing as much as you can here. And slowly lower yourself down to your right elbow, setting up for a side plank. Stack your feet and lift your hips high, extending the left arm straight up. Now start to dip the hips down and then lift them high as you can. Inhale to dip, exhale to lift, nice and high. Total of 10 times here as well. Keep your hips square to the front. So that left hip, you want to keep rolling it forward so your lower back is nice and flat. Wonderful. The neck is long, head neutral. Set the hips down, bend the knees, and bring that bottom arm across the body. Take a breath and give it a little stretch.